Guys, Kent Rabs over here, now even intro to Deal Level Crossing in Kent. We got our, now here you have your LEDs, old Judy Part LEDs. It's been bent a bit here. There's the back of the lights, you can see. Your alarm at the top. I'll just let it pass. As you see, they're doing this area up. They did say it was supposed to be a shop. I'll get back a bit more. There are quite a few lorries because down this way we have Hutchins and Jewson's departmental yards. Not from trains though. Here you have your other set of LEDs. There's the back of the lights, the alarm there. I'll get back a bit of view in a minute. Jewson's. If you have your SPX rail systems barrier, I'll read it because I can't go near the crossing because it's very temperamented. Made on the 24th of February 2008, SPX Romford. As you see, the skirt is literally on the weights there. You've got 3, 6, 8 and a half. Right, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12, 13 weights, back of those ones. Your rubber crossing plant, wooden and trespass guard, there's your third rails, there. Here's this barrier. This barrier is made on the 4th of 1998. These are actually Smith hydraulics because there's the hydraulic couplings there. You've got quite a few weights, I'm not going to bother with the weights because I'm not long. Oh, nice sign here. Warning, do not touch live rail. If not, you will be really burnt. Unipart rail. Front of these LEDs, can't really get a good view. Warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty £1,000. Little one there. Do not touch live rail. Restricted access, network rail. Pause video. Then we have the other set of LEDs here. Back of the lights. Danger, do not touch live rail. Restricted access. There's the one. There's the box. That was made on the 1st of 1998. There. Rubber crossing pants, wooden and trespass guards. There's Steel Station down there. I mean, this is Steel Crossing, not Steel Station. We're a bit away from Steel Station. That's the 3rd of 1998. There is a good view of the box there. Named Deal. Back of the lights. Danger, do not touch live rail. Warning, penalty £1,000. And there's the front of these LEDs. With that one there, actually you probably won't see it because brightness is not very good. This one's actually bent and twisted. And this crossing is on the Ramsgate to Ramsgate to Dover line. That is towards Ramsgate via Sandwich and sometimes Minster. And towards Deal Station is Dover Priory via Walnut and Martin Mill.